Hi, my name is Habiba and I am super excited to bring you this video today. We are going to have so much fun. Wait till you see this hair I got. But first of all, she is looking basic, okay? No makeup, no slicked back hair, just a little gel on the edges. So, let's show you the hair. So this wig was kindly sent to me by Janet Collection. This is the Natural Me wig line. And I got her in Yana in 1B. So I have natural hair, unrelaxed natural hair, type 4 hair. And I was so excited because I knew this was going to blend in perfectly. Before we try her on, let's put on some makeup. Okay, are we ready to see her? I am. There is a box and then there is a plastic wrap, as you can see. Now, I'm one of those people who is super detailed. I want to know everything, okay? So that's what I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you everything. So there are some glossy cards, as you can see. And it has on there Janet, Natural Me, Lace Wig, Yana. I got her in the color 1B. Okay. And these cards have the description of the wig on them. They also give you a little bit of maintenance, all the details. Pretty handy. My first impression is that this is clearly a very full wig. I instantly love the curls. I instantly love all the texture, and I can see that this is definitely going to blend in with my type 4 hair. Okay, out she comes. You can see there is a little bit of cardboard packaging. There is also a piece of foam and some hair netting. It all comes off easily. Anybody else do that? I'm smelling their hair. It smells really nice. And you can see the lace is really nice also. All right, so it has some combs on either side of the parting. There are 2 small combs on either side. And there is also a 3rd comb in the back. And these are not the super large combs, so these are quite comfortable. And then there is ear-to-ear lace, so it goes across. I am super excited, clearly. All right, I almost forgot to show you there's also an adjustable strap in the back of the wig. So you can use the combs or not, or you can just use that. Here I'm showing you the wig on a large mannequin head, okay? Because I wanted you to see a closer look at the hairline. Look how natural that hairline looks, okay? It looks amazing. You can pluck it some more if you want to, but you really don't have to. It is ready to wear. Ready to wear. Now, you can remove the lace like I'm going to show you later, or you can actually attach the lace with a little bit of hair glue to your hairline. It's up to you. All right, I need you to get closer to that texture. Just look at it. It looks like flexi rod set on a blown out hair, like blown out hair or blow dried hair that you flexi rod. Amazing. Okay, we are ready to put her on. Now, warning, she will look like a wig when you first put her on. She's going to look big. She's going to look a little misshapen. So I like to wear a side part, so I'm turning it to the side, but you can certainly wear it as a middle part. It's up to you on what suits you better. All right? So you're going to have to play with her just a little bit. Now, the thing is, I don't have much of a forehead. My hairline comes down super low. So I don't want that much hair so close to my eyebrows. Eyebrows? Look at the lace. The lace is really nice, right? If I had a larger forehead, I would definitely melt that lace onto it. Okay, so we're going to cut off the lace. And you will have a little bit of shedding, if you cut too close to the hairline. So I'm trying to make sure the combs are in place and that it's sitting on my head properly. She still looks a little bit big. So this wig is synthetic hair. Even though it is premium synthetic hair, it is still synthetic. And so I wanted to avoid any excessive heat. You could use a blow dryer to help you mold it onto your head, or just, pulling on some of the curls. You will get a little bit of shedding. It's not much, but you will get a little bit of shedding. All right, so I wanted to show you when I pull up the hairline, you can see the lace. So to correct that, I'm going to use a black pencil and kind of color along the edges, and that really helps it disappear. So it's amazing, these little tips and tricks that you can do to help it look that much more natural. Also, another thing I do to make it look more natural is to pull down a thin layer at the sideburns. I just kind of pull it down. And again, if I were gluing this wig down, oh, it would be flawless, absolutely flawless. But because I'm not gluing it down, these are just little tricks to help it kind of lay down and, not be detectable. I used a small brush to put a little bit of foundation on the wig parting. Here I was just kind of brushing off the excess foundation. This really gives you a flawless look so you don't see the demarcation between the wig and your natural hairline. After pulling on the hair quite a bit and trying to kind of get it to the shape I wanted, I get some stringy ends, which is fine because now I can get to shape the hair to suit my face. And personally, I actually like when the curls are not too perfect. It just looks more natural to me. And so that's what I'm trying to do here, shape it. All right, so back to my sideburns, trying to make it a little bit more natural. So I'm going to trim them, and you kind of angle the scissors downward, okay? So just look how much more natural that looks. When you pull a little bit of the hair to the front of your ear and cut it shorter, it just looks so natural. I had to get a close-up here for you. You cannot tell. That is not my hair. You cannot tell. Now, let's say you want to secure the wig even further because, again, this is not a glued-on wig. You do have combs, which if you want to use, go ahead. But if you don't want to use them or you want additional protection, use a bobby pin. You see, I pull down a small layer of the hair and then I put a bobby pin underneath that. And now, if the wind were to blow, you are not going to see any lace. This wig is not going anywhere. She is on secure and she looks super natural. I just love this texture. So let's spin around for you. Look at the back. Okay, very nice, very full. Okay, I think it's about time we get dressed. And she's back. Now let's have some fun with some accessories. First, hoop earrings. That's my favorite. I wear that all the time. Dressed up or dressed down? What do you think? She was feeling really extra. No, but seriously, sometimes you need a quick change, quick hairstyle. You have that unplanned Zoom meeting. You have to step out quickly to go to the grocery store. Just look at that texture. Come on. All right, we're changing our lip for you. What do you think? Do you like this darker burgundy lip? I think it looks very fall, right? Very holiday season maybe. Big hoops, big hair. It's a look, it's a look. Yes, I definitely love this hair. Absolutely love this hair. So let's switch it up a little bit with my gold Fulani earrings. Then I decided to try a head wrap. This is some fabric my cousin gave me many years ago. All right, I'm just pulling my hair back or pulling it up. It's a lot of hair, but it works. And let's put on the head wrap. I mean, you can style it so many different ways. It's up to you. Let's try a thinner, longer scarf. So I know it doesn't match what I'm wearing, but I just wanted to show you options, okay? And this is a fun bow. Very extra bow that we're about to tie, double layered bow. So I'm just opening up the bow, kind of poofing it up, styling it the way I want. I think there's so many fun ways you can style this hair. Right now, I think I'm looking like that rich, eccentric auntie, right? What do you think? I know the bow doesn't match, but it was fun. And I think it goes kind of okay here with the Ankara fabric, right? Maybe a little too much. What do you think? Comment down below. So the next test, can this hair fit under a baseball cap? I like my baseball caps, and this one comes from my mother, who is also a little bit extra and lives in New York. Yes, what do you think? The hair did it. This wig works. Look at her. Look at those curls popping through the baseball cap. What? You can't tell me anything. No. I'm shaking my head here, putting it down. It's not going anywhere. She is secure, okay? This is later in the evening. I have the sides of the wig pulled to the back, and I also have a headband on, my glasses and the hoop earrings, accessory overload, but I think she looks good. Don't you think it's cute? And here, when you unravel the twist, you know, the hair doesn't bounce back fully curled, but I think it looks nice. To me, it looks more natural. So just a warning, if you don't want to lose the curls, don't over manipulate this hair. But I actually like how natural it looks. So let's show you what it looks like outside. No glue, no edges required. You can wear it behind your hairline if you want. You can wear it on your hairline if you want. It's up to you. And the texture is just beautiful. So this hair absolutely mimics natural hair. If you did a flexi rod set on natural hair, after maybe blowing it out, it could look like this. Because I know when my hair was fully natural and long, it looked just like this. And I think for the amount of money that you're paying, my goodness, there's no doubt. This is a bargain. For under $40, hello, for under $40, what are you waiting for? Come on now. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this review, this video, and definitely thumbs up if you did, and thumbs up if you want to see more hair reviews or more wig tutorials. Definitely leave that in the comment below, and of course don't forget to subscribe, because your girl is gonna continue to slay, and sometimes on a budget, okay? My husband thought this was my hair. He like looked at me and go, "Oh yeah, you look nice," and then went back to work. So I had to stop him and say, "Hello, do you realize this is not my hair?" He was like, "Really? This is not your hair?" I said, "No, it's not my hair. This is a wig." He was like, "Wow, I really believe that was your hair." He had no idea. So honestly, it is believable. Let me get close for you. Believable.